So today's video I'm going to be attempting a deep interior detail / clean on the inside of my car.
My weakness comes and goes.
Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to be attempting a deep interior detail / clean on the inside of my car. I clean the car inside at least, I'd say once every 2 weeks, just because my car does get really messy with, like, you know, bits from work and all sorts of stuff that I bring into the car, stones and grass and God knows what else. So yeah, that's why I leave it once every 2 weeks if I can. If I can do it before then I will. But the actual exterior of the car, that gets washed, I'd say at least 3 times a week, if not more. So today we're going to be covering basically everything on the inside of the car. So we've got the windows, the dashboard, the seats, the gear stick, handbrake, back seats, footwells, you name it, we're going to try and do it. Right, so first things first, I've got a shitload of rubbish in here. So I'm going to get all the rubbish out, so I'm going to sort through all the door cards. In the back, which is literally just a bin in itself, I just throw all my rubbish back there. Any wrappers, receipts, anything like that, I'm just going to put into a bin bag or some sort of bag and throw that out first. And yeah. halfway through filming this video and it's pissing down the rain, so I'm just currently sat in the back of my own car. I'm pretty much finished, to be honest. So it's rained at the best time, but I'm currently like stuck in the back of my car with like all the stuff that I've been using. Yeah, I'm not no detailer or anything, so there's probably a lot of stuff that I've missed there, like routines and stuff which detailers and stuff would have done. But that's just the sort of stuff that I've seen in the past and the sort of stuff that I do myself. Like, that's just how I clean my car, I guess. That is the first sort of proper deep clean, I guess. I didn't use a vacuum. I used this brush on the carpets and then sweeped it all into one corner and got it out as much as I can. I know that's obviously not the best way to do it, but I haven't got a vacuum, so that's just how I've been doing it like recently. Yeah, in terms of the interior trim and stuff, I use this blue microfiber cloth, which is filthy. Like, this is for all the dirty stuff, just to get all like the base layer of dust and hair and whatever else is on the door and anything in the interior, like your gear stick and your dashboard and whatever. Then I spray the EZ detailing, the pink bottle, all over it, let that soak in for like 10 seconds or so, wipe it all off, make sure you get everything off, then use the cockpit shine, which is like a fragrance slash new car look sort of thing. It like makes everything glow. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on here now, but it makes like all like the darker colours stand out more. Like, obviously the black now looks like it's a glossy black sort of texture, same with the handle there. Obviously the trim looks a lot newer, and yeah, so the actual interior is looking really clean, apart from obviously all the cleaning products I've used, which I need to put away, but am I fuck going out there while it's doing that. But it's alright, I found a way how to overcome this problem. All my cans of stuff, shit, I just broke the lid. All my cans of stuff I can just pop straight over into the parcel shelf. I mean, yeah, okay, it's not going into the organiser exactly where I want it, but I'm sorting that out anyway, because the organiser isn't very organised by the organiser. So yeah, if I just wang all this shit in the boot, that's just gone far, I know it has. I can sort that out later if it stops raining, or tomorrow, because I'm not doing a fat lot tomorrow. So then I can literally just get out of the car and run straight into the house. So yeah. Before we carry on this video, I want you guys to check out Fresh Chameleon's website. They've got a range of different air fresheners on their website. They're affordable, long-lasting aromas, and they're also based in the UK. What you want to do is go onto the product which you want, one-time purchase, or you can have a monthly subscription where they send out different air fresheners every month. Use promo code Ashley10 for 10% off your order.